So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to reset GE Adora dishwasher. Control reset, error clear and restart. So how to reset GE Adora dishwasher? To reset a GE Adora dishwasher, press and hold the start or reset for 3 seconds, then wait 90 seconds for it to drain and turn off. If the panel remains frozen, flip your home dishwasher circuit breaker off the 5 minutes to complete a hard reboot. Method first is the soft reset. Use this option if you need to cancel a mistake, clear a blinking light, or add a forgotten dish. Top control model. Open the door slightly to access the control panel. Front control model. Leave the door closed. Press and hold. Press and hold the start reset pad for about 2 to 3 seconds. Wait to drain. The start light will blink steady and you will hear the internal pump activate. Completion. Let the dishwasher sit completely and distribute it for 60 to 90 seconds. Once the pump stop draining and the light go completely dark, the machine is reset. Second method is resetting control lock mode. If your control panel is completely locked or display LOC, it will not respond to normal presses. Standard control lock. Press and hold the heated dry and start reset button simultaneously for 3 to 5 seconds. Dedicated lock pad. On some variant, press the lock pad twice in rapid succession. Confirmation. The light indicator next to the lock will turn off and your button will work again. Third method is the hard reset, power reboot. If the console is frozen, cycling through random light or completely unresponsive, cutting the physical power source, reboot the central control board. Go to your home main electric panel, locate the specific circuit breaker labeled of your dishwasher and flip it to the off position. Leave the power completely cut off for full 5 minutes to ensure the internal capacitor discharge. Flip the circuit breaker back to the on position. Open the dishwasher door, select a fresh cycle and hit start to see if standard functionality is restored. Thank you.